where everyone can understand. It's not going to be a typical biomechanism. Things will not happen in my presentation. So we work on the, my presentation is based on the how to work the athletes properly and release the from the starting blocks. So the first major thing is you want to be very warmed up. The athlete should be warmed up because the sprinters are very easily fond of hamstring injuries and calf muscle injuries. So please be warmed up very properly. The next slide. It's the next one. So setting up the starting block, it's very simple. That from the starting line, you just want to make a simple 1 foot measurement, and you can keep your starting block. And after keeping the starting block, you can ask your athletes to stand there and visualization on the run and the start and for the gunners, the starters gun. So next one. So as I said, the block should be here. It will allow you to set the distance from the 1 foot from the starting line, so that the runners must be established with this power leg and lead leg. It's very simple to find out the athlete's power leg and the lead leg. The next slide. So finding out the power leg and the lead leg, it's very simple. So as coaches, we just want to go on talk with the athletes and stand behind him. If you gradually push your athletes forward, the leg which he carries the whole body weight, it considered as the power leg of the athletes, and the opposite leg can be done for the leading leg. Next. So once we find out the starting blocks, power leg and lead leg, the athletes, so we asked them, the athletes, to go to the starting block, and we asked, we trained them in a way where he runs very fast and release from the starting block once the gun fires one. For example, so the sprint outs, once the gun shots, the sprinter should be very quick from the blocks, and arms should be very clean and perfect on the length where he can run, and dual, he can kick up his glutes also. The next one. Once the gunner who says the on your mark, the athlete should be very prepared, and he should be on the starting block. And then the hamstring and the calf muscle and the flexors, and it will work together for him. Next one. So set position, it's a very important position in the starting block. So the lead leg should be in the power leg should be in the 90 degree, and the lead legs can be in 130 degree. And the most important thing in the set position is your fingers should be only on the finger should be in the ground. And I always say my athletes to lean little forward, front, to carry their weight on the front, so that the glute and calf muscle and hamstring will be easy to fire when the gun is fired. Next one. So as I told, and I'll always told my athletes also, so imagine themselves as of taking off the flight takeoff. So the flight always takes from the 45 degrees, so that they can take off and they run very firm and fast to the this one. The simple thing is, once you release from the block, you should be very stable and take the momentum and speed for the first phase to the 20 to 30 meters of the drive, and gradually stand tall, and you can be very stand tall and activate your core, and you can swing your arms very clearly, so you can put up some momentum in your starting blocks from the drive force. Then you can try to keep the momentum till the finish line. And thank you.